now retard. I play as Dino Love. My friend just declined, but we'll play still. Okay, so in front of me is a, I don't know, a Giova rock or something. I think so. Let me see. Yeah, yeah, a Giova rock and a statue. So yeah, I am I'm 5% in my adult form. No, I'm 5% old. I'm 5. And my friend just declined, but he'll call me back, guys. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna try to make a flyer, a huge flyer, adult. With my friend, he's coming after like 2 minutes or something. Okay. But nothing will bite me, I think so.